Till now you have studied what are minerals and what type of minerals are found and where it is found. Now, as we have studied, you can understand that minerals are not found openly. It is found somewhere under the ground, between the layers of the earth. So it have to be taken out from under the crust of the earth. So minerals, taking out minerals under substance from earth, metallic minerals like iron ore, uranium, bauxite, and non-metallic minerals like coal, oil, natural gas are all mined. Some minerals are mined more deeply than others because they lie more down under the surface. Others have to be taken out by digging deep into the ground, and which is why they become more expensive. As we cannot get it easily, we have to work hard to take that minerals out of the earth. A big process is going on, so these minerals cost so much. Now, mineral mining is of two types: surface mining and underground mining. Surface mining. In surface mining, the top layers of the soil is removed. First the layers is removed, then a pit hole is being dug, and the rocks and the underneath it, they move underneath it and they extract the minerals, whatever is found there. If you remember, when we went to an excursion, there you were taken under a coal mine. So the coal mine was a process how these mines are used. As coal mine, the thing which you went under the museum, that is the same way the process that takes place in Jharkhand, Jharia, etc., different places of India or wherever the coal mines are situated. For extracting these minerals from under the earth crust, heavy machineries are used. These pits, the hole that is made is known as pits. They are also known as open cast mine or quarries. Open cast mine is a common form of coal mining in India, as you have seen in the exhibition. In surface mining, trees and other natural vegetations get destroyed because the top layer of the soil is cut out, then they go under the surface. Surface mining is done to extract mineral that is found close to the surface, such as coal and some kind of sedimentary rocks like limestone and mica. Next form of mining is underground mining. In underground mining, a shaft, which is a long narrow path, is being made, dug vertically. Vertically means straight deep into the ground, so that people or machineries can be sent down through that passage or shaft. Sometimes after descending the shaft, the tunnels are blasted into the earth with the help of dynamite. Now they cannot dig, it will take a long time, so blasts are done so that they can make space and tunnels under the crust. Then men and machines move about through these tunnels to take things out as coal, gold, silver, lead, copper, etc. Underground mining sometimes causes sinking of land, underground water pollution, surface water pollution, etc. What is the importance of minerals? Minerals plays an important role in our daily life. A number of things of our daily use, like simply we can say the pencil that you use, the pen that you use, or Vaseline which you use. Apart from this, the house which you live in. When you in the early morning you open the tap, all these things, doorknobs, lashes, window grills, utensils, all are made of minerals. Iron, along with its alloy steel, is used for making bridges and buildings, different types of machines, tools, to make which makes our life easier. So these minerals are important to make our life easier. Copper wares. Coppers are also very important because copper wares are used for electrical and electronic gadgets. If you listen properly, you can see in the advertisement sometimes some materials are being told that they are made of copper. So copper, electronic gadgets with copper, some electronic gadgets of copper are good. Copper tools and utensils are also widely used. Next is gold, silver, which is used for making jewelries and other things. Aluminium, which has been extracted from bauxite used to make aeroplane. Being is the lightest and fastest metal being the lightest one, so it is used to make aeroplane, which is of the fastest means of transport. Mica is also used in electrical goods, and limestone is used as cement in construction houses and buildings. Limestones are also used as to color the houses. The white material or the yellow material along which the color is mixed and given given a color which you would like to know, but the white base is known as limestone. If you have seen people eating pan, you can see they put limestone on it, so that is also a type of limestone. Next is coal, petroleum and natural gases. These are very important natural resources. Coal is used in various purposes like cooking, heating, apart from that in producing electricity in various industries. Without coal it cannot be run. Once there was time when coal was used to run trains, buses, etc. Next is petroleum, is also a mineral which has been taken out, and the places where there are some mines from where raw petrols are taken out. Then these petrols are taken to different places, refineries, not places, it will be refineries, where they are cleaned and the product petrol is being taken out. Now the places where this refined petrols are refined, from there not only petrol comes other byproducts. Byproducts means the other products that has been made by petrol, like diesel, kerosene, cooking gas. Not cooking gas, sorry, that is something different. Gasoline, etc. are been materials from petrol is been extracted, is been also prepared there. From there it goes to different parts where it is being changed in different parts. Okay, petroleum is refined and obtained different products like petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas. Vehicles like cars, trains and trucks, they run on petrol and diesel. Kerosene is used for cooking and other purposes. Products such as plastic and cosmetics are also made up of petroleum. As I told, byproducts, that means when the petrol is been cleaned, the substance that comes out from it, new products are made. The raw product of raw means the most unclean product is the turd, that is the one that is put on the roads to make the road smooth. You can see it is blackish in color, so that is the last stage of petrol. Natural gas is used in fuel in cars and buses nowadays. The availability of minerals plays a crucial part in an economic development of a country. If there is not a good mine in a country, then the country will not prosper, because a large-scale industries depend fully on these raw materials which are found from these minerals. Mineral resources are also important for several fertilizers that are needed for the successful of cultivation too. Now, how can we conserve these minerals? It's quite necessary for the conservation of these minerals. As we have seen and read that using a large amount of these minerals will give us problem in future. We might not get these minerals in future because as these minerals took thousands of years to come, and if we use it without having any concern that tomorrow what will be happening, so better we use it in a conservative way. We must use it carefully. So today, nowadays, many conservation of energy as it is important, so spatial conservation is done for coal, petroleum and natural gases. Nowadays, people try to use different types of energies apart from this natural gases or natural products that we get from the nature, like the biogas, the solar energy, etc. Coal is an exhaustible mineral and it is not expected to last more than 100 years. As people are using it without any concern, they are not thinking of our future. Therefore, it is strong need to conserve coal. We can conserve coal by restricting the use of it, by not wasting it, and by avoiding selective mining. Exploring new coal reservoirs and new technology for coal mining and using alternative sources of fuel apart from coal can help us conserve this mineral. Next is petroleum. It is also non-renewable because it will also take hundreds and thousands of years to be prepared by the nature. So we should also try to not use it in much and not damage the environment. The biggest polluted are the vehicles that cause petrol that are used on petrol. Therefore, petroleum should be used judiciously. We should now learn how to conserve energy and reduce this wastage by using the formula reuse, recycle and reduce. Reuse means the product which can be used again. Recycle, if a product is recycled like biogas, biogas is the cow dung is being processed and gas is made of it. Also, when we are moving out of a room, if we switch off the lights and fans, then it will save little bit of energy. Also, if from a locality 2-3 persons are going to a same place, then they can use the formula of carpooling. That would also save some petrol. We must also try to use alternative sources, as I told, solar energy, tidal energy, etc., to conserve our resources. Okay, thank you. As I have given you the question answer, you must have written it. So learn those question answers.